In our first module, we're going to take a look at what is Azure Active Directory. So this is a multi-tenant cloud-based directory and identity management system. This is not the same directory that you use on-premise with Active Directory for user authentication, system management, group policy management. This is designed for being a full multi-tenant cloud application and managing identity across not just Azure, but many other platform and software as a service solutions as well. There's a lot of advanced identity management capabilities, such as things like multi-factor authentication, device registration, self-service user password and group management, role-based access control, application usage, and as well as auditing. This can be integrated with many cloud services such as Office 365 and even third-party services such as Salesforce or Box or Dropbox or any one of hundreds of different software applications available. Azure Active Directory provides a central database for users and identity so you can manage your users' permission to use applications, their ability to authenticate, all from a single central application. You don't need to worry about having, if you have multiple software as a service applications that you subscribe to, having different user databases and user directories spread across all these different platforms, providers, and services. There's some major differences between Active Directory and Active Directory that you have on-premise. For example, with Azure Active Directory, there's no such thing as group policy. It does not manage computers in the way that traditional Active Directory does. Computers can be registered, as in we know it exists, but we cannot enforce policies or management on it. There's no notion of an organizational unit. An Azure Active Directory tenant is a flat database of user accounts. And there's no support for forests. There's no support for trusts. We can, if we want to extend our scope of influence and our scope of management beyond the directory, we have to use federation. And in federation, we allow authentication to be managed by one directory and the authentication token, as in, hey, it's a valid user, to be sent back to the calling directory. So very vastly different than your traditional on-premise AD Active Directory services.